Guys, women don't know how to hide their emotions. If they are into you, there are signs they'll leave around you that can easily make you understand she is really into you. Most guys out there miss these signs and ended up losing girls that are super into them because they don't understand female nature. So today I want to tell you things a woman will do if she really likes you. Number 1, she investigates your moves. If a girl is really into you, she becomes interested in gathering lots of information about you. By this, we do not mean baselessly accusing you of cheating. When a woman truly likes you, she trusts you and becomes obsessed with you, wanting to gather lots of information about you. From your family to your interests, to your female friends, down to your past relationships. She'll want to know everything about you and will easily find out your every move, even without asking you. They are like FBIs. They can go as far as stalking your social media pages to see the girls on your friends list or the girls that like your pictures or content. They take note of every move and gets lots of information or details about you that you never had in mind they'd have. When a girl is deeply in love with you, she'll figure out anything and everything she wishes to figure out, but she will do it quietly, without your notice. Number 2, she marks her territory. When a girl really likes a guy, she'll begin to mark her territory by leaving her belongings around him. She can drop random items like hair accessories, a hand fan, a handband, and other possible belongings, either in your car or in your house, where other potential female partners you have can find them. This is a subtle way of telling other women who may come around that there is another woman in the picture. These items might be dropped in positions in your house or car where you won't realize or find them. But once another girl comes into your space, they can easily find these items planted by a different girl. Women are very territorial, so they know themselves. That's why, once another girl comes into your space, she stylishly sniffs for the presence of another girl. So, in order to be safe, tell every girl from the beginning that you are seeing other girls, so it doesn't result to drama and toxic encounters. If you discover any female item in your house, remember, it's a sign of her marking her territory. Number 3, she starts mimicking you. Once a girl really likes you, she begins to see herself in you. She begins to adopt your interests, loves the same things you love, and wants to do the same things you do. When a girl likes you, you won't struggle to know. Her actions will easily show you. She becomes an extended part of you. So if a girl does not bother to fit into your life, pick up your interests, or try to do things you like doing, you should know that she's not feeling you that much. Once a girl is really into you, she'll try out things you like. She sometimes begins to dress like you, wanting to fit into your clothes and shoes. You'll realize she begins to talk like you and make certain facial moves or hand gestures you always do. Number 4, she defends you privately. When a girl really likes you, she begins to put up a fight to defend you. Whenever her friends say unpleasant things around her or try to plant seeds of doubt in her mind, guys, you should realize that your girl's friends are your biggest enemies. That's why you should have a close look on the kind of friends she keeps. They are the ones who will convince her to do things she was not supposed to be doing, take her to parties, and even give her wrong opinions about you, especially when they don't like you. Sometimes they'll even try to hook her up with other male partners. So you have to keep a close eye on her friends, because they are your biggest enemies, even if they might act nice and become friendly. So when a girl puts up a fight for you before her friends and defends your every action or decision, there is no doubt she is really into you, and most times this might result to her not spending much time with her group of friends anymore, because she doesn't want to be influenced by their thoughts, and at the same time doesn't want to lose you. So once you see a girl begin to pull away from her female friends without any good reason and wants to spend more time with you instead, just know that her female friends have not been so nice to you behind your back. So these are the things women do when they really like you. I hope you learned something new today. See you next time.